dear friends, you're watching AKY Biotech, and today here again we are with a new video for you with the important questions. So let's start with it. So this was the question which we have asked in the previous video, and it was like this. The tDNA of Agrobacterium must be excised from its circular plasmid for its transfer into the plant cells. Which one of the following complexes of Vir proteins is responsible for the DNA nick at the left and the right border sequences? So you have to pick up the correct complexes of the Vir proteins which is responsible for DNA nick at the left and the right border sequences. The correct answer to this is Vir D1 oblique Vir D2. So many they have tried it and they have answered it correctly, and I appreciate it, and we are happy that you people are taking equal participation in all these questions, and today we have a long list of the persons who have answered it correctly. It goes like this: Binu Tiwari, Anjali Sharma, Brainy Kids Point, Khurshid Akhtar, Jyoti Singh, Dhaiya Baya Info, Meera Mishra, Pinky Yadav, Jibrela Molong, Deepak Ravindra, Shivani Rana, Aarti Patel, Nilesh Sharma, Rajiv Kumar, Srabhoni Talukdar, Rajshri Biswal, Jyoti Singh, Bushra Anjum, Udhish Arvind, Sudhir Babu, Kritika Chaudhary, Sreja Nair. So here was the long list, those who have answered it correctly, and that's really a good thing. So the explanation for this is the tDNA in the bacterium is flanked by left and right border sequences. Data recognized by two agrobacterium proteins, that is the Vir D1 and the Vir D2. The proteins Vir D1 and the Vir D2, they play a key role in this step, recognizing the tDNA border sequences and nicking so endonuclease activity, the bottom strand at each border. So this tDNA in the bacterium, it has the left and the right border sequences. So these are recognized, which are recognized by the Vir D1 and the Vir D2. So what is the role of these two proteins? They recognize the tDNA border sequences, and they have the endonuclease activity, which is responsible for creating the DNA nicks. Next, the question here is number 551. Which of the following modifications targets a protein for degradation? So which modification? That is, we know that is the ubiquitination. Next, in a gel filtration chromatography. So what happens in a gel filtration chromatography? In this case, we know that the larger proteins will be eluted first. Next question is the 553 number, two-dimensional gel electrophoresis. So this is the two-dimensional gel electrophoresis is a technique for separating proteins. So the basis on which the proteins are separated by this technique, that is the based on the charge and the mass. Number 554. Exact mass and sequence of proteins and peptides can be measured by. So how the exact mass and the sequence of proteins, this can be measured by the MALDI-TOF. So MALDI-TOF, it is the matrix assisted laser desorption ionization, and TOF is for the time of the flight. Number 555. Which of the following amino acids is optically inactive? So the optically inactive amino acid, that is, the correct answer to this is glycine. 56. Process of formation of ATP from ADP during photosynthesis is referred to as. What is this referred to as? This is known as the photophosphorylation. So what happens? This is photophosphorylation. This is the process of utilizing light energy from photosynthesis to convert the ADP to the ATP. So the ADP, it is converted to the ATP. Next question, number 557. Which of the following tools of recombinant DNA technology is incorrectly paired with its application? So I repeat over here that please see the word which is mentioned, because don't rush to the answers before reading the question. Read it carefully and then only go to the answers. Then only you will be able to choose the correct option. So, and please, I would like to say that subscribe the channel so that you can get all the latest updates to all the videos which we are uploading, and please like and share the video. So, which of the following tools of rDNA technology is incorrectly paired with this application? That is, we know that restriction endonuclease, production of DNA fragments for gene cloning. This one is correct. Then DNA ligase, enzyme that cuts DNA creating sticky ends. So this is the incorrect. B part is the incorrect. So C part is also correct, that is DNA polymerase. It copies DNA sequences in the PCR, and the reverse transcriptase, that is production of cDNA from the mRNA. This is also correct. So the incorrect option is the B part. Question number 558. AC transposon is it is an autonomous element. Number 559. Which one of the following can be used as selection marker for developing transgenic plants? So out of these four, which can be used as a selection marker for developing the transgenic plants? That is, the correct answer to this is hygromycin phosphotransferase. These questions, this question is also very important. Repeatedly it has been put in the examination. And coming up with the last question, that is, using transgenic technology, male sterile plants are developed by. So the male sterile plant, how they are developed? They are by expressing Barnase gene in tapetum. A part is the correct part. And this question is very, very important, I must say, from examination. One question always there is from this Barnase, Bastar, and this male sterile plants using the transgenic technology, how they are developed. So be clear with this question. So here comes the explanation, that is, Barnase is a bacterial protein that consists of 110 amino acids. So this Barnase bacterial protein, 110 amino acids is there, and it has the ribonuclease activity. So this it is synthesized and secreted by the bacterium. So this protein, it is synthesized by which bacterium? This has also been asked in the examination many of the times, and the bacteria responsible is the Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. Now here comes a question for you. It is, SSR marker is said to be a, you have to fill in the blanks, that is, it is which type of marker? You have the options, dominant, codominant, recessive, or the epistatic. So please try to solve it out, and please comment in the comment box, and we will be discussing the answer in the next video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel so that you can get all the latest updates related to all the questions which we are uploading, and please like and share the video.